How's it going, everyone? This is Scale Model Car Guy channel here, and first of all, I want to thank you to all my subscribers and everybody that and of course I didn't put the fenders on it, nothing like that. I know Ron, I've seen his cars. He likes them without the fenders, and so do I. So here's what I've gotten done. Boom. There she is. See, I did her in baby blue with the red and white interior. I don't know if you're going to be able to see that, but I'm going to have pictures at the end of this video so you can see the build and everything. I've got the steel wheels with the hubcaps and the white walls. Made my own little roll pan back there. Let's see. I had to make my own little headlights, and I got my stupid fingers in this one, but the headlight lenses were missing, so I just used that glue to make my own headlight lenses. It don't look the best, but it's alright. But here's the underneath. Made my own open exhaust, so she'd be loud because she's got that big old Hemi in there. Yes, I squeezed that Hemi in there. If I can get this thing off, maybe I can get it off. Let's get this thing turned around here. My gosh, I'll have to get something to get that off. There we go. Look at there. Big old Hemi shoehorned in there. I still got to put a radiator hose on it. I had it on there and then it fell off, and I just hadn't put it back on. But I think old Ron will like this. Old school hot rod. There's this side of the motor, and I even got it wired up, even though you can't hardly tell. I don't even know why I wasted my time, but it's got a fire dome Hemi, so all the wires run under that little cap or tunnel right there. I really kind of wasted my time doing that, but put that back on there. But yeah, I didn't chop it. I thought about it, but I was like, no, I don't want to chop it. I want it to be the high boy instead of being a low boy. I like the high, well, I mean, I like them both, low boy, high boy, it don't matter. But I don't know if you can see that red and white interior in there. Not with this camera, but like I said, at the end of this video here, I'll have the build pics and stuff. And then I did the little white on top. And you can see in the background there's that POS Ferrari. All I got to do on it is put the glass in it, paint like the spare tire, put the trunk well in it, and I got a little bit of detail painting on the front of it. And you can see there, I don't know if you can see in the interior here or not. Let me, there's the interior. It's not the best camera, I'm sorry guys. I got the little center caps on the wheels. Like I said, here's a door. I don't know if you can see that too good or not. There's one of the doors. The hood. But I don't know if you can wheels come off. There's the bottom end. But that's all I got on that one. But this one's mainly the Ron Stewart build. So that will be next, and then I'll start on my Corona 500 Buddy Baker Charger. But I got this one out of the way. I got one more to do, and then I can start on the Corona 500 build. Like I said, stick around, and the pictures will be after this video. Thank you.